Oh, hello, Uncle Ronald.
Hello.
What's going on? Did you break something?
No, I did it again.
what's going on? What did you do to Tappy?
No, it's not Tappy. I bought another car. Or we bought another car. Don't laugh, man. It's not funny, man.
Wait, no. What did you buy? Because obviously we didn't win the bid for the Audi TT because the guy came back with a counter bid of like what £700 or something, and we said yeah, we're happy to walk away.
Yeah. So that TT, right? Yeah, we did actually win it. Yeah.
No, I'm not paying £700 for it, mate.
No, we didn't pay 700 quid for it. We paid. Do you remember we put in our counter bid of 350?
He rejected that though.
He did. He gave me a counter of 8, and then he brought it down to 750, then 700. Then I was like, right, I'm not paying no more than 350, okay? And they just accepted it. Sorry. I'm sorry. I don't even have space outside my yard for another bloody car. What's he gonna think? Jesus Christ.
Oh, good luck with your marriage. I can build a fort in my garden for you if you need a place to stay.
I think you need more than a fort. I need a bloody pillow and a mattress and maybe a duvet as well. Yeah. So yes. So we are now the proud owners of an Audi TT.
Oh, so have we basically become Tavares?
Basically, yes. Because I've got a car that isn't even ready yet, and then there's a new car coming that's even more broken.
Do we even know what's wrong with it? Did we even bother reading this description of this Audi TT?
What description? There was no bloody description. All it was a little picture of the top of the engine. The top of it was like removed. Yeah. I mean, I'm hoping that there's parts in his car, because otherwise I'm going to have a ball ache trying to find out where everything goes. Basically, an Audi TT 2004, looked like a 1.8T. Don't know if it's a Quattro. If it's a Quattro, we're laughing. Like,
it didn't have. Wait. It didn't have OEM wheels, right? It didn't have stock wheels, right?
No, it didn't have stock wheels. They had these really weird aftermarket 5-spoke wheels. They're like a little star.
Alright, so if we're lucky, the wheels might be worth as much as what we pay for the car then.
Maybe. We'll see once it gets there, because I can't see any branding. I have no idea what wheels these are.
Okay, calm.
Right? That's the first thing. So the second thing is, yes, the engine was literally like off. Not off. The top of the engine was off. So I could see all the camshafts and all of that good stuff, which was like probably one of the reasons why they probably thought to get rid of it at the price, because it just looked like a bit of like a no-hoper, like a parts car. So we'll get it by Thursday, I think.
Okay, so I've got time off on the weekend, so maybe I'll pop by and say hi to the Audi TT then.
Yes. Yeah.
So like we've had a look before. We've been having a look at Audi TTs before, but we didn't think we had the budget for it before. And
but yeah, TTs this summer's just been going like through the roof. Like I don't know who's been I don't know where all these TTs are, because there's a lot of TTs being sold on eBay, but I haven't seen any of them on the road, so I don't know what that's all about. And the prices just honestly, during lockdown the prices were just super expensive. We paid about half of what a normal TT was going for in a similar condition.
Yeah. But and I remember you sent me one that was, I don't know, some guy just decided to attempt a full respray on the car, and it was a horrendous job as well. And that sold was like some silly amount of money on eBay as well, didn't it?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe they're now starting to be sought after. I don't know. But I don't care, because we got another car. And I'm very happy.
Thank you, Ronald.
It's alright. Anytime you want me to spend your money, I'm your guy.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon could be wrong with it? Like, if it's what I think it is, it could be like a cooling issue or temperature, like overheating issue, maybe.
So here's my thing. If somebody has taken the time to take off the top of the engine minus the cylinder head, there's some sort of cooling issue, possibly head gasket. If it is a head gasket issue, I'm down to strip that head and get it skimmed and see what happens, because I'm intrigued. I've never done it before. Well, I have, but it's been a long time since I've done a cylinder head overhaul. So I'd like to see what that's all about. However, when I looked at the pictures on CoParts, I couldn't actually see I couldn't see anything that looked obvious that something was leaking or something had like spewed out everywhere. There was a picture that was taken underneath the car. I'm not sure why. We'll find out when it gets here. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on.
And I remember generally the pictures on CoParts, the car looked in good condition, but just the engine was like a bit of a question mark, and not knowing what is up with it basically. Yeah,
the way I see it though, whatever, even if it's a complete lemon of a car, doesn't matter. We paid $350 plus fees and delivery about $653 all in, right? Delivered. So for $650, even if it's a car that's broken and we cannot fix it, I could literally low mileage. Also, this is a funny thing. Because as I always do when I'm on CoParts, if I can find the reg number, I'll go on MOT history and find out the full backstory. Its last MOT was May of this year.
So we bought this. So it has a MOT valid until next year?
Yeah.
With the engine in bits?
Yeah. I'm so baffled by this car. How can I have a valid MOT and it be on CoParts literally about 6 weeks?
So this person's literally had the MOT, something went wrong, and then just thought like, okay, I'm gonna walk away and sell this car.
Yeah. Something went wrong and it's too expensive for the person to do anything to it, and that's why it's in the condition. Because usually if somebody's doing engine work, it means that they've just abandoned it, which means that either they got to a point where it's just too difficult and they said sod it.
Okay, well either way, we could either be very lucky and fix it up, or if not, then we'll just sell it and we wouldn't be at much of a loss.
Exactly.
Calm.
And worst case scenario, if you need to buy a new engine, they're not that expensive. They're only about 400 quid, and even then, we'd still be in money because we know TTs go for like over $2,000, so we're okay. But before I do anything, as soon as it gets here, I want to spend some time just putting everything back together, run it, and actually see what the fault is. Because obviously, when you buy stuff off CoParts, they ain't got a foggiest what it is. They just say mechanical, it's not running. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's a clean title, and that's good, because when we go to sell it, then we don't have to worry about whether it's a Cat S, Cat N, or anything like that. It's literally just calm. It should be good. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Good. So, I'll see you on the weekend then, Ronald. Thank you very much for informing me of our new purchase.
I'm sorry. This is getting to be a bit of a bad habit.
I mean, I think
I need to stop. I need to just sign out of CoParts.
I mean, I think it's kind of my fault. I did tell you to keep an eye on it on your day off.
You did. This is your fault. I wasn't expecting it though. The thing is, this is our first car we bought from CoParts, so it's a complete minefield. We've never bought anything from there before. We don't know what to expect. I didn't think they'd accept the offer. I was like, I'm half the price of what you want. Surely you should say no, and then you'll go up for relist. But the fact that they accepted it, I am not going to complain with that.
No complaints.
Not going to complain.
Good. Thank you very much, Ronald. I will see you on the weekend. Let me know. Give me a message. You're on time off at the moment, so I won't see you until you're back at work or on the weekend to check out the car. But let me know what happens on delivery day as well.
Yes, we'll do.
Thank you very much, Ronald. You take care.
No problem. Take it easy, bro.
This is it. This is the Audi TT myself and Ronald have recently purchased and added to the collection of cars we're working on. And from the looks of it, since Ronald's had the car for a few days, he's already gotten himself quite busy. Oh wait,
Hey,
when
man.
did you get here?
Been here a long time, man. Where you been?
I was walking around the car.
Oh, well, you didn't call out for me. Call out me, you see me here.
Wait, how long have you been working on this car for?
I've been on this for just over an hour or so.
Oh, so what have you been doing?
So right now, I'm just undoing this bit of wire because I've just replaced the timing belt, and I'm just gonna turn.
But I've literally just walked around the car.
Yeah.
And you've done the timing belt.
Well, no, I mean it obviously took a lot longer, but like I needed to. I've been kind of busy on this on my days off, messing with this. So right now, as you've caught me here, I'm literally just about to turn the engine over to see if I've actually timed it properly.
Okay.
All right, you want to see?
First, do I need to get in position anywhere? What's a good spot?
Let me turn some light around. There you go. Now you can see a bit better. Right. Yeah, let me take the camera. Right, guys. So what we're doing at the moment, or what I've done at the moment, is I've put the new belt in place. I've got a, I don't know if you can see, I've got a little socket down at the bottom there, which is connected to the crank. So I'm just going to turn that over manually. What I'm trying to do is make sure that this line here, this timing mark, and the one that is down here are in alignment. If it's not, I have to take off the belt and time this again. Yeah, that's basically what I'm up to.
Alright, good luck, Ronald.
Right, so I'm just turning the engine, belt's moving nicely.
Alright, so it looks like Ronald's gone ahead and made a massive start on the Audi TT. So, like, Ronald, would you care to give us an update on like what you've done so far?
Yes, of course. So, the car came to us in bits, literally. The engine, the rocker cover, the timing belt covers, all of that was off, loads of hoses disconnected all over the place. This car has basically been like one long Lego project, okay? Literally just putting it all, honestly, putting it all together. We know that this car's got some sort of overheating issue, we know that, okay? But we don't know what part of the coolant system is the problem. So I said, well, do you know what? It's at a particular mileage where we have to get the timing belt done anyway, so let's just go ahead and do that. I know checking the service records that it's already been done like about 4 or 5 years ago. So the plan was redo the timing belt, change the water pump, change thermostat, because I'm in that area, and then see if it fires up. And one last thing would be to drop the engine sump, because apparently on this particular model, I don't know if you know this one, but on this particular model, the oil sump pickup has a tendency to either get clogged up, which means that the oil can't circulate around the cylinder wall lining, thus what causes the car to overheat.
You've gone this far. Clearly we can see you've taken lots of bits off, and the car's lifted, and you've gone all this way. Might as well do all these bits anyways.
Exactly.
Just to get a head start, and hopefully once get this started, hopefully nothing's going to be wrong with it, because you've already fixed it, I hope.
Yeah, so this car was a bit of a mystery, but when we dug deeper into the MOT history, we know the car was running up until May of this year. We picked up the car, when was it? Was it early July? Or was it late June? No, early July we picked up this car.
Yes.
Yeah? So we know that, I think so. I have to check the records. But basically, we know that in a period of about 6 weeks, this is when the car had already passed its MOT, didn't have any issues with overheating, and then the issue came about. Then it came up on CoParts, then we obviously
picked up a bargain.
Picked up absolute steal. So we know that the issue was not a long-going issue, we know it's a recent thing. My theory is that whoever had taken the car to get sorted, the person either didn't know what they were doing properly, or they did know what they was doing and they was told to stop putting any more time or labour into it for any other reason. Hence why the car is presented to us with literally everything disconnected. Because no mechanic in their right mind, if they want to try and sell the car, even on behalf of a customer, would leave the car in this condition with hoses hanging out. Because you basically just lost a lot of the value. So that's my theory. We'll find out once I've dropped the engine sump. If I am going to end up doing that, then we'll know if all of our theories around why this car is in this condition we'll realise it.
Cool. And hopefully by the next time you come and check out what's going on with the Audi TT, we'll have some good news, or maybe a few more updates. If it's not good news, at least we'll have a better idea of what else we need to do to get it up and running again.
Definitely.
Cool. Anything else to add, Ronald?
We got steel. And to be fair, even if this turns out to be a lemon, it's all good. The price we paid for the car, we can get it back on parts. So it's literally just labour that is really costing us at the moment.
Alright, so that's it from me and Ronald. If you're enjoying the content, make sure you press the subscribe button over here, like my videos please, and I will see you next time on the YouTube channel. Take care, love you lots, bye bye.